Alex here with the Electric Life with another episode of Looks Cool. What are you riding? We're here with Mario from LAESK8, and he put together a little event for speed. So if you need to learn how to ride your board fast, go to LAESK8. Check out Mario. He's putting on some seminars and really cool stuff. For us, let's see what these guys are riding. Man, looks cool. What are you riding?
Kaly NYC.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. How long you had it?
I've had it like about a little over a month.
Oh wow, all you guys with the new boards. Damn.
Yeah. But I've had multiple boards.
Gotcha. So how many miles?
Right now, I ride a lot, man. I put on 30 miles a day.
Okay, gotcha. So you're one of us.
I am, at least. So I'm probably at about 4,800 in 5 months.
Wow, that's great. And what did you ride before this?
Had a Prototipo, I have a Vril RS, had a Backfire G3 Plus, Evolve Stoke, like Own GR, so.
A man with experience.
Yeah,
awesome.
Worked my way up.
Right on.
Yeah, man.
Awesome, bro. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
All right, looks cool. What are you riding?
So this is a Stooge board. It is a chromoly steel frame built by Mo Biggs. He has 30 years of experience in stock car racing, and he has brought that knowledge into e-skate. Wow. So he's built this whole chassis out of like chromoly steel to make it as light as possible and robust.
Can you bring it up, bro, so I can see the bottom?
Yeah. That's a belly pan under there. I've bottomed out a couple times, as you can see.
Oh yeah. And how long have you had this?
I've had this for about 2 months right now. Yeah.
And what type of speeds you hit on this?
The fastest I've gone was 57 uphill at Faircrest Field in March of 2020.
That is huge.
Yeah.
Safety gear, right?
Always. I got knee pads under here, and I got a helmet, full face. Got the lazy roller.
Awesome.
Always ready to, always be prepared for the fall, you know?
Yeah. And Mario, you're out here putting on an event, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
What do we got going on out here, my man?
So what I intend to do with this event is kind of like show people how to ride an e-skate and kind of like make it kind of like newbie friendly and try to get them to be comfortable going faster.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Because I see we got a course up here set out.
Yeah.
And what's the name of this event?
It's called Intro to Speed.
Intro to Speed. Yeah. Awesome. And where can people find out about this?
It's all over the Facebook currently. It's primarily in LAESK8.
Okay.
Because I'm from Long Beach myself, and this is my first time expanding it out of LAESK8.
Very cool. Beautiful, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Looks cool. What do you ride, my man?
This is a Lacroix NAZARE, or NAZARE. Wait, I should get the pronunciation right.
That's right.
Lacroix NAZARE. And it's a 12S 6P battery, Foxbox Unity controlled, 26389 motors. And these, what I think is the really best feature of the board, these hyper trucks, which are some of the widest production trucks out there.
Wow, those are awesome.
And they are machine cut from a single piece of aluminum, and they're pretty awesome to ride. I've never ridden anything like them. They're not like for cruising around on the sidewalk, because you need to be going fast to turn on them.
Ah, gotcha.
But riding fast, this is definitely my choice of truck and board.
So how long you had it?
Let's see, I got it in December of 2019.
Ah, all right. See, almost a full year.
Almost a year now.
And obviously very happy.
Yeah, real happy with it. These boards, they take some getting used to, and they take, you need to take your time, like figuring out what setup works for you. I had to adjust the bushings a little bit, and I changed out the front bushings to something slightly stiffer. And then you just got to know that you have to be fully committed to turn this board. You don't. It's not for maneuvering around on the sidewalk really slowly. It's for going fast.
Yeah, just from looking at it, boom, it's kind of bulky, right? A little bit wider than.
It's pretty wide, but it feels good. I mean, I love how wide I can get my stance.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. Me being a taller guy too, that's huge. It's having enough deck room on there.
Yeah, and my foot, just a slight angle, and my foot is completely on the tape. Very little. Even when I have it straight, I only have like maybe a ½ inch or an inch on one side hanging off the edge.
Beautiful. You know, I always like the ball. I know people give the deck a hard time sometimes. I think it's sick. I like the 80s retro.
I love the deck. I not necessarily the decorations. I might get something custom done at some point, but for now, you know, this is fine.
Yeah, no, this
is the one thing I like is LaCroix uses this as one of their symbols. It's a molecule. It's adrenaline.
That's pretty cool.
This is supposed to be, and there's a guy he's a biochemist, and he asked me what that symbol was, and I said adrenaline, and he's like, oh yeah.
That makes sense. Awesome. My man, what's your name?
I'm Greg.
Nice to meet you, Greg. Thanks for sharing. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
This looks pretty cool. What do you ride, my man?
Yeah, this is a West Coast standard made by Psychotiller, Dave.
Wow.
And I've got some 6-inch wheels.
Clean.
Some boxes. Some 6380 corkboard motors.
How long you had it?
I've had it for about a month or 2.
Oh wow, so it's brand new.
Yeah, it's pretty new.
Sweet, bro. And how long you been riding?
I've been riding for about a year.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Right on, my man. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, no worries. Cool board, man. What do you ride?
So this is my carbon Ownbaord carbon AT. I've had this board for about 2,000 miles. Love this thing. As you can see, it's kind of a little beat up, but still pretty clean after city streets. And man, the rubber wheels, this thing saves me on city streets. I see potholes, I see big old things, and boom, I can hit them really good, and it doesn't even hardly move you know? So one thing, gotta get used to double kingpin trucks. That's definitely kind of a little bit different if you're not used to them. Definitely tighten them up, guys, is what I suggest, because they're gonna be a little wonky when you first get on there. You'd rather have them too tight, be too tight with your steering and then loosen it up. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
So, anyways, love this board. I've had X-Way, I've had Wowgo, and kind of love this guy. So
Nice.
very happy.
Carbon fiber deck.
Exactly, yeah.
What size battery does it have?
That I kind of forgot. I think it's about a 13 amp hour. I think that's what they're about at right now.
Okay.
I only, for a guy about me, 200 pounds, I only get about 12, 15 miles. So range, definitely could use more range.
Okay.
But as a daily commuter, it's been awesome.
Perfect. Cool, man.
Thank you. That's cool. What are you riding?
Riding my Veteran Sherman today out here at Pier 27.
Nice. When'd you get this, my man?
So I had this about 2 months. Just came out, about 1,000 of them out in the wild right now. It's known as the fastest, most durable EUC on the planet right now.
I see. You must be an experienced rider.
Been riding for 5 years, since 2015. Started out on some little piece of garbage, moved my way up to bigger pieces of garbage, and now the whole genre has gotten to the point where they're very serious machines.
Nice. So my man, if I'm new to EUCs, what makes it special compared to any other one?
So the Veteran Sherman is a 100 volt, 3,200 watt hour machine. It means it's got a long range of about 100 miles, even under very strenuous riding conditions. A 20-inch tire. I've got the street tire on this one for maximum speed on the street and also reduced friction for greater range. Dual charging ports. 6,000 lumen headlight. They always lie about that, but it's damn bright. Yeah, just a real serious speed wheel. It's also really heavy. 80 pounds.
Oh, wow.
I lift it up and do a lift test.
Damn. See?
Here 64 miles an hour it topped out at. So. I won't be doing that today.
That is crazy. That's awesome, bro. No wonder you guys love your EUCs. They're powerful. They're kind of compact, even though they weigh a lot.
That's right.
Get around.
Yes, sir. Come and join us sometime.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jesse.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking FaceTime off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I